Hi students, how are you? Children, now it's a prayer time. Close your eyes. Ashatoma Shatkamaya Tamashoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amarankamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, rub your hands, touch your eyes, slowly open your eyes. Okay, children, today we are going to learn about lesson 8. More about computers. Okay, kutis, listen carefully.
More about computers. Do you recognize these different types of computers we see around us? Desktop, laptop, smartphone, tablet PC. Let us quickly recall about each type of computer in brief. Desktop, a computer which is typically kept on the top of a desk and has a big monitor and CPU, is called a desktop. We generally use them in schools, offices and homes. Laptop. It is a small-sized computer which can be carried from place to place. It is capable of performing all the tasks of a desktop. Due to its small size, less weight and rechargeable battery, we can carry it around and use it anywhere such as trains, shops, offices, etc. Smartphone, a mobile phone which can also perform the basic tasks of a computer like browsing internet, video calls, playing games and running some applications is called a smartphone. Tablet PC. A tablet is an enlarged version of a smartphone with a bigger screen. It can be used to browse internet, check emails, make video calls, play games, and run some applications. In addition to these, we have mainframe computers. Very large computers which can store and process huge amounts of data are called mainframe computers. These are used in big organizations and research facilities which deal with huge amounts of data. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are also very large computers with high levels of performance. Supercomputers are used where computations involving large numbers and precision are performed. Supercomputers are generally used in research facilities. Have you noticed that all these computers look different? This is because they have different parts that make them up. We call these parts as hardware. Hardware of a computer is the physical parts that they consist of. We know that we can do a lot of things such as painting, doing sums, listening to music, watching videos, etc. using a computer. We can do these different things because of the different computer programs available to us. We call these programs as software. These programs essentially run the computer by giving instructions to the computer to complete the tasks that we need to be done. Some examples of commonly used software programs are MS Paint, MS Word, Windows Media Player. We need software for the hardware to work. Without software, the hardware does not know what to do. Software needs hardware that execute them. Without the necessary hardware, software cannot give instructions and get the task completed. Did you notice that we can see and touch the hardware around us, whereas the softwares are only visible to us in the computer when we use them? So we can say that the physical parts of the computer that we can see and touch are called hardware, and the non-physical parts of the computer that we cannot see and touch but are necessary to use the computer are called software. Summary: different types of computers with different parts can be used for different purposes. Mainframe computers and supercomputers are very large and are generally used in big companies or research labs. Physical parts of the computer are called as hardware. Software gives the necessary instructions to the computer to work. Both hardware and software are required for a computer to work.
Okay, children, today homework is read and write lesson 8 keywords, one time in classwork note, test for next class. Okay, cuties, you have finished your homework, submitted on Google Classroom. Okay, cuties, stay safe, stay in your home, avoid screen time. Thank you.